Sports is usually one of the most popular topics when you interact with people in any language. Whether you personally do a sport or you are a fan of a sport, most people are very passionate when talking about it. But if you don't know the related vocabulary, it becomes a difficult topic to elaborate. Come with me and let's learn essential sports vocabulary. This is also essential if you are planning on taking the A2 Simple exam. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe. It's an easy way to support my channel. E agora, vamos começar! Portugal is known for having huge soccer, football fans, adeptos de futebol. So let's kick off, dar o pontapé de saída, and explore a list of some of the main sports. Football, soccer. The American-style football is called futebol americano. Basquetebol. Tênis. Voleibol. Golfe. Natação. Atletismo. Ciclismo. Ski. Handball. This is a sport common in Portugal. Kids play it at school, but I've never seen or heard about it in the US. Boxe. Judo. Karatê. Remo. Surf. Ginástica. Patinagem. Ice skating is patinagem no gelo. Hóquei no gelo. Equitação. Rugby. Automobilismo. Artes marciais. Now let's cover some verbs that are associated to sports. Praticar, to practice. Jogar, to play. Gostar de, to like. Adorar, to express that we really love it. Or preferir, to prefer. Let's look at some sentences. Eu pratico patinagem ao fim de semana e já sei patinar muito bem. I practice skating on the weekend and I can already skate very well. A Maria gosta muito de natação. É uma ótima nadadora. Maria likes swimming very much. She is a great swimmer. O meu filho adora jogar futebol, mas não tem muito jeito. My son loves playing soccer, but he's not very good at it. Eu prefiro judo a karatê, apesar de serem ambos artes marciais. I prefer judo to karate, despite both being martial arts. Now let's practice expressing dislikes that can go along with sports. Eu não gosto de fazer ginástica. I don't like doing gymnastics. Detesto treinar. I hate working out. Não gosto de praticar desportos. I don't like to play sports. Não tenho preferência por nenhum desporto em particular. I have no preference for any sport in particular. Many people like to exercise, fazer exercício físico, to be in shape, estar em forma. Others like to be competitive, ser competitivo, competitiva, and win, ganhar. Do you know what someone who is a sore loser is called in Portuguese? Mau perdedor. And the opposite, bom perdedor. You can win a trophy, troféu, or a medal, medalha. It is very useful to know that with many sports, you can express the verb action in two different ways. For example, to surf can be surfar or fazer surf. So saying eu gosto de surfar is the same as eu gosto de fazer surf. I like to surf. Or even, eu surfo todos os dias is the same as eu faço surf todos os dias. I surf every day. Here are other sports you can apply this same usage. Remar, fazer remo. Esquiar, fazer esqui. Patinar, fazer patinagem. Group sports are used mostly with the verb jogar, jogar futebol. If you want to learn more about soccer football vocabulary, make sure to check out this detailed video. Jogar ténis, jogar basquetebol, jogar beisebol, jogar voleibol, jogar hóquei no gelo. While individual sports are used mostly with fazer. Fazer natação, fazer atletismo, fazer boxe, fazer ciclismo, fazer equitação, fazer automobilismo, fazer judo, karatê, artes marciais. If sports is a topic that interests you, I suggest you also start reading sports newspapers in Portuguese. You will notice, however, the main focus is on football, soccer, and they are a BOLA, Record, o JOGO. I'll leave the links to these newspapers in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave me a comment. I always love to hear from you guys. Até a próxima!